Alright everyone, I'm going to make my rendition of the John Daly that I like to call Whitney Meets Daly. So Barstool came out with the pink Whitney, so that's what we're going to be using today, and that's kind of the basis around this John Daly. So what you're going to start with doing is going to do an ounce of that, and then you're going to mix it with lemonade. You're going to get a little bit of ice in your shaker. Grab something to shake it up. Just a nice little shake, nothing too fast, nothing too furious. And then you're going to pour that over the first half of a pint glass full of ice. Alright, and then next, what you're going to do is use any type of Amaretto. So you're going to take Amaretto, the Disaronno, and you're also going to do 1 ounce of Amaretto. And then instead of lemonade, you're going to use iced tea. Again, new fresh ice. Take your shaker one more time and shake that up, and then you're going to layer that right over top of your lemonade. Nice little slow pour, that way you get the 2 separated colors. And then you're going to top that off with lemon wedge, and there you go. You got Whitney Meets Daly.